crochet friends, it's me, Jonah, and we have some packages to open today, so let's begin. Our first one is from Hearts of Hope in Peachland, Florida. Okay, let's see what they sent me. And Mom already opened it, so you guys don't have to watch me open it, and I don't hurt my hands because then I couldn't crochet. Here we go, letter. Let's see. If hope is in your heart. Dear Jonah, we admire your talent and your energy, your blankets and everything else you crochet. It's beyond fabulous. You have so much to be proud of. Please accept this very special Heart of Hope design especially for you. Would be honored if you would forward an email or text with a photo of you and your heart. Wow. And then there's a phone number too if you want to contact this place and get your own personalized. Wow. Oh, this is amazing. Let's see what it looks like. Look at this. It's my Heart of Hope. And then there's my Jonah's Hands tag, also in a patch, which you can find at my website, jonahhands.com. And then look on the other side. Hashtag crochet away with 2 little hearts and then a big heart. Wow. And then there's the adorable little bow there. I love this, and this has a special place in my heart. And I just don't know where in the room I'm going to put it, but it's going to be somewhere where it's full of crochet. Wow. You know, these must be so hard to craft, and look at these hand paintings with the letters. And then I like this sort of style where you can kind of see it coming through the back, like it's kind of rubbing through. And then that crochet away, I really love that penmanship. Wow. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, they have a Pay It Forward program established in 2001. Since our first delivery following the 9/11 tragedy, volunteer painters have created Hearts of Hope by tens of thousands. These hearts are handmade with love by people just like you who wish to show caring and compassion in the form of a small keepsake gift. Our volunteers are often people who have been there with challenges of their own who want to help others in need. It's a simple formula with one simple message of creating hope, one heart at a time. We hope you love your gift as much as we have loved making it for you. If you're interested in learning more about our programs or to order a Hearts of Hope kit for your family or group, please visit our website at www.ourheartsofhope.org. No capitals, all lowercase, no spaces. Wow. Oh, and then it actually fills out who it is. So this is from Katie in New Jersey. She's a college student and aspiring artist, and she loves to paint. And her message to me is, your work is such an inspiration. Hope this heart makes you smile. Wow. This is just an amazing thing. Like, one heart right here does so much for everyone else, just like they mentioned, and I can't believe it. I just love this so much, and I think I might make a couple of these and give them to people. Now, I just love this, and I wanted to thank Hearts of Hope so much. And now I'm going to put it right back in here. Put the heart right back in here so it has the coverage. There we go. Set it right up here in a safe place. And that was from Hearts of Hope, and you guys should really check it out because it's an amazing company. Okay, now on to our second package. This one is from Charlotte in Texas. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's in its own little box with the cute little wrapping paper. Okay, here is the box. Good things are coming. Ooh, I love that spring scene. Now let's see here. What's right on top? Campbell's. Oh, condensed tomato soup, and it's like a little card. Oh, let's see here. Hi, Jonah. First of all, I want to tell you how much joy you have given so many people with your extraordinary gift. Keep up the amazing work. I am a member of a group here that decorates rocks called Galveston County Rocks. We leave rocks for people everywhere, for people to find. Everyone else paints theirs, but I crochet mine. I made a very special one for you. I also make chapstick holders and have enclosed a family pack for you and your family. You can decide who gets what. Take care and crochet away. Charlotte or Charlie from Texas. Okay, here's just the crochet rock part. Oh wow, look at this. Look at the little case, and then guess what's inside. Well, first of all, that's a beautiful case, but guess what's inside. These adorable little chapstick holders, and oh, look at that button right there. Here's one, here's two, here's three, one. Oh, this one's sort of like a sunset. Ocean. Wow. Now, if I had to choose, this one would probably, since it's 5, this one would probably go to me since it's kind of sunset. This one would go to Mom since she loves blue. And this one would go to Mercy because she really likes pinks and purples. And probably this one to my older teenage brother Leif, and then this one to Dad. And then, oh, look at this. We can even fill them all up. We could just fill them all up, just like pop them out and put them right in. That's so cool. She just gave me a new idea. I think I'm gonna start making some lipstick cases. Oh. It uses a thread weight. Wonder what size hook she used. Oh my. Look at what she meant. See, here we just have a regular rock from Charlie, 2019, Save the Bless. But look, normally people paint theirs, but she crocheted over it. She put a little nice stone with a ladybug, flower, a frog, another flower, and then a bee. And this is amazing. I've never seen anything like this before, and I just love the texture of that yarn. It seems like a very thin yarn, and it's a tight casing, and they decrease at the bottom. But this is amazing. She's given me so many wonderful ideas, and she was right. Good things are coming. Wow. Here it is, so now you can see the frog. And all of this love for other people comes from a rock, a hook, and some little charms, and some yarn. It's just amazing to see what this can bring to other people, and I just love it, and it's so thoughtful. Man, this is gonna have a special place in my room. But for now, it has to go right back in here, all wrapped up beautifully and protected. Okay, here we go. I wanted to thank Charlie from Texas for sending me these amazing things, and the lipsticks with the actual lipstick cases. And thank you, everyone. And also, don't forget what Hearts of Hope sent me. It just has Jonah's hands and then my crochet away. And thank you to everyone, and goodbye and crochet away, friends.